Hello guys, this is Tanya Singla. Today's topic of discussion is what is product mix, and its elements like branding, packaging, labeling, etc. etc. So in previous video we have studied what is marketing mix, in which we have product mix, price mix, place mix, and promotion mix. In this video we will study purely product mix. As we have cleared the meaning of marketing mix and product mix, we will study about product. What is product? What is product? A product is anything that can be offered to a market for attention, acquisition, use or consumption that might satisfy a want or need. This product is generally viewed as a physical product. Example: bread, television, refrigerator, CD player, shoe, stationery, garment, cosmetics, kitchenware, cycles, scooter, etc. What all are these are products. Promotion mix. Promotion mix refers to all decisions relating to the product. These decisions are mainly with regard to branding, packaging, labeling, color, design, quality, size, after sales services, etc. Product mix is a set of all product line and items that a particular seller for sale. This is known as product mix. If you didn't yet subscribe my channel, so first of all you should subscribe my channel and like my videos. Branding. In today's era, we can normally say this era is a totally era of brand. Everyone used to use branded products because of their luxury, or we can say which show their standard of living. As many as brand we have with ourselves, we show that we are belong to high society. It's a status symbol in today's era. That's why we can say the 21st century is a century of branding. Branding is the process of stamping a product with some identified name or marks, or we can say combination of both. A brand is a name, charm, symbol, or design, or combination of them, which is intended to identify the goods or services of one seller or group of sellers and to differentiate them from those of competitors. This is known as branding. All these are an example of branding in which every big brand have their own brand. We can see in the image. Now we have studied that what is branding. Now we will study that what is brand mark, its logo and trademark. Brand mark is that part of the brand which can be recognized but not alterable, such as symbol, design, or descriptive color or lettering. For example, two arrows for Delhi Transportation Corporation, sign of plus in red color or red cross, etc. Brand mark is a very powerful technique to recognize a product or services. Brand mark, we can see the example of Nike, in which we have a cross like this. This is known as brand mark. Now we will study about logo. Logo is like the brand mark. With the help of pictorial symbol, the company intends to communicate with the consumer. Flag, mascot, script, symbol, graphic design, or alphabets are used as logos. Now, trademark. Trademark has been defined as a brand which is given legal protection because under the law it has been appropriated exclusively by one seller. No other person has power to use that trademark instead of the person who have registered it. We will study about the advantage and importance of branding to manufacturer, to middleman, and to consumer. First of all, advantage and importance of branding to manufacturer. Build up reputation and image. It is true that branding builds up reputation and image to manufacturer and enable the manufacturer to build up reputation of his product and create an image in the public mind. Help in advertising. Advertising of the product with the brand name is very easy. The customer is influenced with brand name. He prefers to use a product with a particular brand name. Creation of separate marketing. Popularity of new product. It is true that brand name helpful in introduction to new product because already the brand has in the market has its presence in the market. That's why the introduction of to new product is helpful. Build product loyalty. A brand has to build loyalty for the product among the customer. It is a source of repeated purchase by a consumer. Maintenance of control. Branding has in the maintenance of a proper control over the market as well as price, quality and other feature of product. Better price for the product. It is true that branding also have to manufacture in better price of product because a brand name is also show a goodwill. Mean of promotion. Brand help in distinguishing and differentiating the product of various manufacturers. That is why we say that it is a mean of promotion. Now we will study advantages and importance of branding to middlemen. Helpful in understanding consumer behavior. The consumer generally purchase for product by telling the brand name. Even if consumers do not speak of any brand, they can easily be convinced by showing popular branded products. No need of extra advertising. It is true that it is not needed by the middleman to do any extra advertising, as the advertising is all also available on TVs by the manufacturer. Lesser risk. It is true that it involves lesser risks by middleman because the brand is also already have its goodwill in the market. Increase in goodwill. It is true that the brand also increase the goodwill of middleman too, because if any person uh, selling the product of good brand, it also show its goodwill and helpful it in its selling process. Increase in profit. It is true that in today's era many people used to purchase branded product which increase in profit. Reduce distribution cost because it reduced distribution costs. Special selling effort need not to be undertaken by the middleman as the consumer demand the product by quoting the brand name of the product. This reducing cost. Now, quick money product. Branding enable the middleman to find out quick moving money product. Now, advantage and importance of branding to consumer. Easy identification. It is true that branding have easy identification by the consumer as they are able to see in television in the form of advertising. Quality product. Only those company have their own brand. Those are quality conscious mainly. That's why quality product. Price stability. Price stability. We can say that in advertising we have full knowledge about the product quality, price, which also able to which also helpful to consumer in price stability as seller is not able to charge more than its price. Provides status value. It's also provides status value to consumer because many brands have their importance because of their luxury, like we have a brand of Audi and Mercedes which show luxury. Easy shopping. It is true that it is an easy mode of shopping by the consumer. Easy to lodge complaint and make claims because of its brand. It's have highly reputed companies or we can say goodwill. High quality packing in which we have safe product used by us. That is why it's a high quality packing. These all are the example of packing. What are the disadvantages of branding to manufacturer and disadvantages of branding to consumer? Now we will study the disadvantages of branding to manufacturer. It increase cost. It increase cost which also become costly for the consumer, and many times the common people are not able to purchase the branded product. Impose responsibility. It impose responsibility because the company have to make their status in the market. It impose responsibility that if any minor mistake is happen in the product, it will be faced by the whole brand. Expensive. It is true that the branded product are expensive because of their goodwill, which also an disadvantage to manufacturer because normal people are not able to purchase this product. Brainlessness opposed by middleman because middleman के पास क्या होता है, उसके पास जो उसके बायर होते हैं वो एबल नहीं होते उन्हें परचेज करने के लिए. उसके बाद डिसएडवांटेज ऑफ ब्रांडिंग टू कंज्यूमर का ग्रेटर कंफ्यूजन. It is true that it create a greater confusion that many branded products are in the market which they have to purchase and which they have not to be purchased. Create irrationality. It is true. Increase in price, as we have discussed earlier, that increase in price discourage from trying other product. It is premium. This is all about the product in which we have studied branding, its advantage to middleman to manufacturer to consumer and disadvantage to manufacturer and consumer. This is all. Thanks for watching video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel.